everyone. This is a review on Bobbi Boss's Water Wave. Ooh, child, that lighting. Woo, good. Oh, okay, let me start over. This is a review on Bobbi Boss's Water Wave crochet hair. I was so impressed by this hair. It exceeded my expectations that I just had to come on here and do a review. I'm actually getting ready to take it out. I had it in for about 5 weeks. It probably can go another week, but my birthday's coming up and I wanted to switch it up. So yeah, I'm about to take it out. So before I take it out, I said, let me go ahead and do it justice and do a review so I can let everyone know how great of a brand this is. This is the first time that I've ever worn crochet hair, and it was the first time that I've actually installed it. I did a lot of research on YouTube. I call YouTube my YouTube professors. I just wanted to see, you know, what was the best technique on how to install it, what hairstyles that I can do, and, you know, like the maintenance on how to keep it up. And when I looked at a lot of videos, I didn't really see too many reviews on Bobbi Boss's brand. I don't know why, okay, but child, I need to inform the masses that Bobbi Boss crochet hair, Water Wave in particular, it's a very good brand, and I need to let everybody know. Now, I'm going to say that I'm not a stranger to Bobbi Boss. I'm about that wig life. I have probably like over 20 or 30 of her wigs. I love her wig line, her synthetic wig line, and her human hair. Hey, Mama. Hey. Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Okay.
Hi, YouTube. Hi, YouTube. Hi, YouTube.
Girl, bye. Let me finish this interview, cutie pie. That was my little sweet little baby. I have like a lot of her wigs already on deck, so I already know that she had, like, you know, she has a good brand, but I didn't really know anything about her crochet hair. When I went to go buy the crochet hair, I did not have a brand in particular. Yes, Mama. Yeah, let me just finish telling the people about this hair, okay? And then I'll let you talk. Because they can already see you, okay? So while I talk, you talk. Anyway, I didn't really have a brand in mind of what I wanted to get. All I did was just had like a curl pattern of a style that I wanted to achieve. And this Bobbi Boss's pack, you know, came close to what I want. It's number 2. I put about 4.5 packs in my head. It had 3 bundles in the pack, and it was $7.99. I wish I would have saved the package so I can show you guys, but honestly, since it was my first time installing the crochet hair, I didn't know how it was going to come out, so I didn't know if I was going to be like, you know, trying to do like a review and all that stuff. But over time, I loved it. I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and let everybody know. I don't know. I think I did a pretty good job. Excuse the lighting, but this is my attempt at the invisible parting. The hair, the maintenance of the hair, it wasn't easy, but it wasn't too hard. The whole reason why I decided to go with the crochet hair is because I wanted to do a protective style to where my scalp was, you know, it was easy to get to my scalp, breathable. I normally wear wigs all the time, but, you know, I just didn't feel like putting it on, taking it off. I'm not really into the glue down lace front thing. You know, I like to take my wigs off at night. But this time I was like, okay, I want to just, you know, lay down, get up, wake up, shake my hair, and just go. So I figured that crochet would be better, and it did. Like, I'm happy. Like, for right now, I'm going to be doing crochet probably for the rest of the year, and I'll do more videos for you guys. But let me talk about the maintenance. For this hair, the only thing I put on it was water and oil, okay? A lot of the videos that I watched on crochet hair, it wasn't really talking about Bobbi Boss because I didn't see too many videos, but most of my YouTube professors out there, they recommended that you put mousse or some type of cream-based product, you know, to bring it back to life or whatever. But what I noticed is that when I put mousse on this hair, it got very hard. I couldn't detangle it. It was like a hot mess. Then I tried, like, you know, my expensive hair products because, you know, I really wanted to make this work because it took me about probably like, I don't know. It took me a while because it was my first time installing, and you know, and it's not like sew-in or whatever. You know, I feel like it was more tedious than sew-in. So I was like, look, I gotta figure out to try to make this work. Anyway, I discovered that oil worked best, and how I discovered that was by an accident because I was oiling my scalp with this wild growth oil because it is a protective style, and I want my hair to flourish up under it. And the oil from like oiling my scalp, it got on the hair, and I noticed that when the oil got on the hair got like really soft, and it had like slick in it for me to like detangle it. And I was like, whoa, wait a minute, okay. So I started to put more of the oil on the hair. Then I was like, okay, I'm not gonna waste this oil because it needs to go on my hair. So I decided to get another oil. So I had this oil, which is by Cream of Nature. It's argan oil. It's a heat defense oil that I bought probably like 3 years ago. It didn't really do anything spectacular when I, you know, straightened out my hair. I didn't want to use it again, but I didn't want to throw it away because it was kind of pricey. So I said that one day I'll probably use it. And yay, I had a reason to use it. So I used it on this hair. So all I did was, you know, put the oil in my hand, rub it together. I concentrated on my ends, sprayed my hair with water. I love this spray bottle. You know what? I'm going to put the link below. It doesn't douse your hair with water. It literally does like a light mist. I don't know if you can't see that on camera. I just sprayed it. Sorry, baby. Sorry. It does like a light mist on the hair, which is good. So I used it on, you know, my natural hair, my daughter's hair, everything. So I tried it on my this crochet hair, and it came out good. And I just shake it. Like, that's all I do. I put the oil in there and I shake it, and, you know, it comes out like this. My braid pattern that I did not do anything fancy. Only thing I did was 8 cornrows going back. I didn't do no zigzag, no crisscross, none of that, just straight back. I took all the 8 braids and I bundled it into one, and then I sewed it down in the middle of my hair, like lifted up and sewed it down, and then I went ahead and just started to crochet. I'm going to try to turn around so you can see the back. Yes, this hair, I hope you were able to see that. But look, I love this hair. Oh, and another thing, listen, I told y'all that it wasn't easy, but it wasn't hard. Every day I had to cut this hair, okay? Woo, child. I mean, the little snags or the tangling and stuff. Now, with the oil, like if I put it on there, I can take my time and detangle out the knots and stuff like that. But sometimes when you come across a knot, like, it's just not even worth it. I mean, it's not like it's my hair or anything. So I just cut that stuff off. So my maintenance routine, it was a daily maintenance routine. It insisted of, you know, the water, the oil, and scissors, okay, to cut it off. I also wore a satin cap every single night. And I wore a satin cap, like if I'm just laying around watching TV or whatever, because what I noticed is that this hair, it does get dry, very similar to my natural hair. So I don't want to just be like laying around and, you know, the hair gets dry and brittle and stuff like that. So I always kept it covered when I'm at home not doing anything. And then when I'm about to go out, I went ahead and moisturized it and stuff like that. So again, this was my first time wearing crochet hair, my first brand and all that good stuff. I am going to try different brands, but listen, all you other brands out there, you have a tough act to follow, because I feel like this hair like really mimics my natural hair. I was able to wash the hair, yes, wash it, and you know, it still looks good. I feel like the longer you have it in, the more natural it looked. And it didn't really have, I know when I say that, most people think that it had like a plasticky look when it started off. No, it didn't. You know, I didn't soak the hair or anything. Straight out the box, it looked nice, straight out the box. But, you know, over time, it just swells up. It gets bigger and bigger, which I love bigger. that's about it. I'm gonna put most of the videos, not most, let me stop lying. I'm gonna put a couple of links to the videos that I use to help me achieve this look. And also I'm gonna put a link to the spray bottle because I really recommend it. It's very good. Like it's like a light mist or whatever to spray on your hair. One more thing. Oh yeah, what I would change next time is that I would probably like leave hair out, because when I braided my hair, I didn't want to come too close to the perimeter because I didn't want to put too much stress on my edges. You know, I'm keeping my edges, trying to keep them healthy and strong, but I do want the hair to come like a little more forward. So I'm just going to take some hair out and do my braids a little closer and still protect my edges. But that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, let me know. Like I said, I'm going to do another review on some other hair that I got, and hopefully it does well. If not, I'll still let you know about it. Bye. Say bye.